Hey guys, this is your very first video of CSS tutorials. Today I'm gonna show you what is the power of CSS. So first let's introduce to CSS. What is CSS? The full structure and the full meaning of CSS is cascading style sheet. And for learning CSS, your first requirement will be HTML. You should know how to use HTML. If you don't know what is it, just check my playlist and you will get a good idea about HTML. Now, I'm showing you a pretty nice design of HTML and CSS. Just open this in live server. This is the gaming website. I have made it with CSS, HTML and JavaScript. So now I'm gonna destroy it. I'm just showing you how this site look without CSS and JS. So open with code, and this is the HTML, this is the CSS file, and this is the JavaScript file. So remove these files. Just click delete this and these two. And look how it looks without CSS and JavaScript. So you guys will be shocked by seeing this. So this is the power of CSS. We will continue in our next video. Thank you.